This is an example demo of an IPS resource and operational event simulation model. This type of model imitates the dynamic behaviors of integrating architectural and process design. This demo highlights the material movements and staging areas of a dry fill operation. On the startup screen, there are several parameters visible to allow easy adjustment prior to model start, such as conveyor speed, materials per pallet, and materials per trolley. As the model starts, it is assumed that all staging areas are sufficiently supplied from the previous shift's operation. As the model continues and operation consumes materials, pallets will be replenished. This operation takes place on the second floor of a facility, and all raw materials must arrive via a material elevator located in the south. Due to the elevator's importance in the operation of the facility, it was important to monitor its utilization and determine potential bottlenecks that may occur. The main concerns for this demo were to visualize how operation at the facility would function, if the elevator could keep up with operations, and if the staging areas were sized appropriately to meet demand. The color key in the top right indicates what material each pallet holds. The empty vial trays over here have a 2 to indicate there are 2 pallets stacked in that position. A basic overview of the flow is that empty vials are consumed at the vial wash, where they then proceed on a conveyor to the filling room. A finished vial is placed on a pallet for inspection before being moved to the staging area over here, where it will leave the facility. Stoppers are moved from pallets to trolleys in this material airlock, and the trolleys are moved into one of the 2 autoclaves for cleaning prior to being moved to the filling line for consumption. Caps are moved from pallets to trolleys in this material airlock, and the trolley is moved to the capping position on the filling line. As the day progresses, on the right side we can see some current outputs, such as utilization of both fork trucks, utilization of the elevator, the amount of pallets of each type brought to the floor, and the total number of each materials used so far. I sped up the model simulation speed so we can see more activity taking place. On the far right side are a few graphs. These display the wait time for each vehicle and the wait time for the elevator over time. From this point forward, I will let the model run for a bit while increasing the simulation speed over time to allow more activity to be observed.